Who wants to paint a cardinal? Let me get a decent sized brush here. I'm just going to wet it just to straighten out the fibers a little bit. You don't want it wet. I'm just wanted to pull my fibers together. So I dried it on my cloth and I pull it out to the side. Okay. And I'm going to pick up this red. And because it's a cardinal, I'm going to come in here and I'm going to base coat the whole bird with this very deep red. It's actually cardinal red. So I want to follow the shape of his body. So the tail feathers are going to be long and to the diagonal. His belly feathers are going to be rounded. And then his crest is going to go up. And then we want to just paint around his mask here. Okay, I'm going to take my dirty brush and I'm going to come in here and I'm going to add in black to his crest. So my dirty brush, and I came in here, yes, he goes off the page, but I pulled in some black to the crest, to his top. Okay, come back to my red and pick up a little bit of black, and now I'm going to easily and gently add some shading with the black down his tail. Let me fix my brush. Can pick up some red. Okay, then I'm going to load with red. I'm going to side load with black, and I'm going to come down here and I'm going to add this wing. Okay, see how my wing has a little bit of a dark edge to it? I'm going to pick up some more black and I'm going to add in some black here. Now birds are hard, y'all. That's why I start with a tracer. I'm using my brush upright on the chisel edge and I'm pulling in some shading in there. Okay, I'm going to fix my brush again. And I want to come under his belly, pick up a little bit of black and come under the belly and then up in here under his chest. But we want the bulk to be red. Okay. Then I am going to switch brushes. I'm going to go back to the small brush that I had from before. And we want his mask to be solid black. So I want to come up and curve and then follow this down and fill it in. Okay. And then wash my brush again. I need a little bit of orange, but not too much. Good, because I don't have too much. There we go. I'm gonna get my liner brush. And we're going to paint in his beak. And the beak is like a diamond shape. Like a horizontal diamond shape. So it's on his side. It goes back into the mask a little bit. And then it comes out. Okay? Now, I said birds are hard, but really birds are all in the details. So I'm going to take a little bit of black and split his beak there a little bit. Okay? I'm going to take some white. I'm going to put some white on the top. Then I'm going to come over here where his eye is, and we're going to make a little bit of a backwards C. And then some little dots in here. Yeah, that looks like his eye. Okay? And then we're going to just come down here and we're going to add a tiny bit, not too much, of white for his feathers. And then I'm just going to come in here and gently pull in some white up the tail feathers. And we'll add some feet on here because he's not sitting on a branch. And I'm mixing a little bit of black with my red and my liner brush. I'm going to come in here and have a little bit more shading up in here. Almost like pulling in some feathers. I'm just doing little dabs of this red mixed with some black and pulling in. So you can see like there's the illusion of feathers being back here where the wing attaches. And there we have it.